Why does your scanner show the P0314 engine code? What does it mean? P0314 is a diagnostic trouble code for single-cylinder misfire. Cylinder not specified. This engine code indicates a single-cylinder misfire. Cylinder not specified. This means that your vehicle's powertrain control module has detected a misfire in one of the engine's cylinders, but it cannot pinpoint which specific cylinder is causing the problem. Under these circumstances, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Ignition system failures. Fuel system issues. Air vacuum leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Renault, Hyundai, and Audi. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.